Hello, my friends. Tashidelek, Namo Buddhaya. So today I am going to discuss about the sense consciousness and mental consciousness. So before I talk about this topic, I would like to say few things about our mind. If you look at our mind is intangible and it is very difficult to identify. But Buddha has taught us our mind can be trained and also, it can be transformed through the process of training. So therefore, Buddha has stated that Dikpachiya Michashing, it means that, do not commit any evil. The practice various virtues. Rangi semne yongsu do. Tame your mind thoroughly. Dine sange tembaye. So this is the teaching of Buddha. So this is what Buddha has taught to us. So therefore, our mind is very important. So if you look at our mind has broadly classified into the two groups. One is a sense consciousness and another one is a mental consciousness. So if you look at the sense consciousness, our eye consciousness, ear consciousness, nose consciousness, tongue consciousness, body consciousness. So all these are the sense consciousness. And all this, sense consciousness depending upon their physical sense faculty. If we take an example of our visual consciousness, our eye consciousness depends upon the eye sense faculties, means the eye organ. Then our ear consciousness depends upon the ear sense faculty. So all of our sense consciousness, they are depending upon their own physical sense faculties. So if you look at the mental consciousness is different than the sense consciousness, because mental consciousness does not depend on the physical sense faculty. So this is one big differences between the sense consciousness and mental consciousness. And another thing that, if you look at the sense consciousness and mental consciousness, let's take an example. So if you are going into the garden and you are looking at the so many flowers and you can view the multi colors of the flowers. So all these multi colors of the flowers, they can appear to your eye consciousness. So your eye consciousness, it can capture the all multi colors of the flowers. But your mental consciousness allows you to select the particular flower. It allows you to pay attention on the particular objects. So that's why, mental consciousness is more powerful than the sense consciousness. Then another thing that, our sense consciousness remain on the present moment. Our mental consciousness, it can goes back to the past moment. It can recall our memory, and also it can moves into the future. So you can plan your future. So if you have any anticipate to do something in the future, so you can plan, you can do planning and everything. So your mental consciousness can engage with past moment, present moment and a future moment. But your sense consciousness remains only on the present moment. So therefore, mental consciousness is more powerful than the sense consciousness. So therefore, we have to pay attention on our mental consciousness. Today in our world, most of us, we take care of our physical pleasures, but we don't pay attention on the mental happiness. So therefore, there is an imbalance between our body and mind. So even today we have a very good home, we have a very big amount of the money in the bank, and we have a luxury car, we have all facilities, we have everything. We are living in a very advanced level of facilities in the world, but still, today we have a lot of people who are suffering from depression, who are suffering from stress in their life. So therefore, I would like to request you to pay more attention on your state of mind and try to make a balance between your body and mind. So both body and mind are equally important. If you are paying attention only on your body, you are not taking care of your mind, then there will be an imbalance between your mind and body, and sooner or later you are going to have a problem in your life. So this is what I wanted to share today, and see you in my next video. Take care. Thank you.